What do we got going on today? Thunderstorms out there somewhere. But today's an inside job. I don't know how this knucklehead did it. I don't know if you can see that, but somehow he ran over the cord to his battery maintainer with a lawnmower. So we're going to fix that. Got a few breaks. This cord's going to end up shorter, but that's how it goes. Let's get it done. And that's why we're playing inside today. That's fun. So anyway, I wasn't going to make a video on this thing. I was going to get it fixed and get it back to the owner, but after thinking about it, some people might not realize that simple 120 volt cords may not be so simple, in that this is a polarized plug, and that's where you got one blade that's fatter than the other. Bitter blade's hot, fatter blade's the polarized side or neutral. Get you connected to me here. So on the cord itself, one of the leads will be smooth, and the other side will have some ridges. And the side with the ridges corresponds to the fatter side of the fat blade on the plug. So that when we go to cut this, we want to line everything back up. This is all the cord that got mangled. And for this fix, I'm going to use these guys. So this should be a quick and easy fix. I just wanted to point out that there is a right way and a wrong way to fix a cord if it's polarized. See if I got any shrink wrap left. It's big enough. My supplies are running low. This one should do it. So as I explained before, the cord itself, it'll be marked in some way. Sometimes it'll be a colored stripe. This one's actually molded. It's got some ridges. We just want to match those up. I'm going to use these heat shrink solder connectors. I forgot my, yeah, doing good. And she's back up again. Make sure they're nice and centered. This little heat gun actually heats up really fast. Another important thing if you use these kind of connectors, do not tug on them until they've completely cooled off. So they will pull apart. Just going to give that a minute to cool off. And that's that. Fixed. As long as I didn't miss any other breaks or plug it in. Shouldn't pop a breaker. Looks like we're good to go. Cool. That was a short and sweet one. Didn't have to get dirty today, which is nice. But yeah. Thank you guys for hanging. I thought about maybe digging into this today. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. I'm going to have a smoke and think about it. I'll catch you all later.